Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed the parts of speech. Now we are discussed the adjective. Adjective, it is a part of speech. There are the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech. We are discussed the 3 parts of speech. Now we are discussed the adjective. Here we write the adjective. What is meant by adjective? Adjective is a word to show more information about the noun or pronoun is called the adjective. That is the definition. Once again, it is a word to show more information about the noun or pronoun is called the adjective. Then we discuss that word we call the describing word or adding. Any other information is adding or related to the noun or pronoun is called the adjective. Here we discuss some example: sweet, cold, high, long, then tall, short, sweet. These are the examples. Means sweet, cold, high, long, tall, short. Then we write also clever. Another examples are there. We discuss here sweet, cold, high, long, tall, short, clever and etc. These are the adjectives. But we discuss in a sentences this adjective. He is a clever boy. He is a clever boy. One example we are right here. Here clever is an adjective. Here clever is an adjective. Why we say that clever is an adjective? Because boy is a noun. Boy is a noun. This word, this adjective describe the noun. This adjective tells the more information about the noun, therefore we call the adjective. Means its meaning is that if we didn't write this clever word, we write only he is a boy. We write only he is a boy. But only he is telling only boy. But when we are writing the clever, when we write the tall, when we write the short, that time we are describing the noun. We are describing the noun, therefore we call the adjective. Then second example, we said that he is an honest person. Honest person. Listen. Here example, he is an honest person. Here honest, this word is an adjective. Why we call the adjective? Because here is a person is a noun. Person is a noun. This honest word tells the more information about the noun. Honest, this word describe the noun means person. Therefore, honest, this word is an adjective. We write here, show the more information about the noun or pronoun. Therefore, we call the adjective. The another example is the teacher. Teacher is teaching math subject. Math subject very good. Listen, teacher is teaching math subject very good. Here good is an adjective. Means we are writing the different type of adjectives. Here sweet, cold, high, long, tall, short, clever, good. These are the adjectives. Why we call the adjective? Because it shows the more information about the noun or pronoun. It's called the adjective. After that we discuss here some kinds of adjective. There are the 6 kinds of adjectives. First is a adjective of quantity. Second is a adjective of quality. Third is a adjective of number. Fourth is a demonstrative adjective. Fifth is the interrogative adjective, and sixth the possessive adjective. These are the kinds of the adjective. In this way we have to discuss the adjective and adjective types. Here we write the adjective of quality. We discuss here adjective of quality. Adjective of quality means any other adjective to show the quality of any other persons, of any other things, is called the adjective of quality. We are discuss here some examples. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality to show the quality of person or things or places. We are discuss here. He is a tall boy. He is a tall boy. Means here we discuss the tall, this word, T-A-L-L. He is a tall boy. Tall is an adjective, but he describes the quality of that person. Therefore we call the adjective of quality. Second, we said that she is a good girl. She is a good girl. She is a good girl. Here good is an adjective. Good is an adjective. Why we call the adjective? Because good, this word tells the more information about the noun. Therefore we call the adjective. But why we say the adjective of quality? Because this word, this adjective tells the quality about this noun. Therefore we call the adjective of quality. Here he is an honest person. Teacher is teaching math subject very good. In this way, good and honest, these words are the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality because these words show the quality about this noun. Therefore we call the adjective of quality. In this way we have to discuss the first types of the adjective of quality. Then second we discuss the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. This it shows that the quantity of some things, etc. It shows the quantity of some things. Means adjective of quantity is the second adjective types. We discuss here shows the quantity of any other things or any other some things, any other things. For example, here we are writing here he ate some mangoes. He ate some mangoes. Example here, he is a subject, ate is a verb, some is a adjective of quantity. And mangoes is a noun. Means some, this word is an adjective. He tells the more information about the noun. Therefore we call the adjective. And adjective of quantity, its meaning is that he is show the only quantity of these things. Therefore we call the adjective of quantity. Second example we have to discuss here. He wants little water. He wants little water. Here little is an adjective. But this word tells the more information related to the noun. Therefore we call the adjective. But here adjective of quantity, why we say? वी वॉन्ट द लिटिल वॉटर, म्हणजे थोडं पाणी पाहिजे आपल्याला, जास्त पाणी नाही, थोडं पाणी, म्हणजे आपण त्याला काउंटिंग करू शकत ना अशा पद्धतीने. वी वॉन्ट अ लिटिल वॉटर, देअरफॉर धिस लिटिल, दिस इज अन ॲडजेक्टिव्ह अँड दिस इज अन ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वांटिटी. आफ्टर दॅट he wants little milk. Here little also adjective of quantity. Here little also adjective of quantity. In this way we are discuss here few, very few, little, some, etc. These are these adjective of quantity. Next, adjective of number. Adjective of number means any other adjective show the only numbers. Any other adjective show the number, that adjective we call the adjective of number. Adjective of number. Adjective of number, its meaning is that means it show the number. It show the number. It show the number of person, place or any other things. Any other things. We are discuss here one example. He has 2 pens. He has 2 pens. Here 2 is an adjective, but adjective of number. Here he has 2 pens. 2 is an adjective, but adjective of number. Its meaning is that here show the number of person, places or any other things. Pens is the name of the things and 2 is the number. If any other things showing the only numbers, that adjective we call the adjective of number. He has 2 pens. Then we discuss here teacher taught 2 books. Teacher taught 2 books. Here teacher taught 2 books. Here 2 is an adjective of number, because this is an adjective and this adjective tells the more information related to the books, or it is a particular number show, therefore we call the adjective of number. Then we discuss here another examples. He collected all students. He collected all students. He collected all students. Here all is an adjective because he showed the numbers. Sorry, 5. He collected the 5 students, means 5 is an adjective. 5 is an adjective means how many students collected? Only 5 students. How many students they are collected? Only 5 students. Therefore we call the adjective of numbers. In this way, it show the only numbers of person, place or any other things. In this way, these are the 3 examples. He has 2 pens, teacher taught 2 books and he collected the 5 students. Only numbers are there and that numbers we call the adjective of number. Then we have to discuss the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. These are the demonstrative adjective and this demonstrative adjective point out the things, persons places, or animals, etc. Demonstrative adjective means point out the things, persons, places, or animals. There are the four: this, that, these, those, such. These are the demonstrative adjective. Why we call the demonstrative adjective? Because these adjective point out the particular persons, particular things, or particular places. Therefore we call the demonstrative adjective. One example we have right here: this pen is mine. This pen is mine. Here we write the this. We write the this pen means pen is a noun. This word describe the pen. Therefore we call the adjective. But point out this pen. This pen. When we are the pointed there, that time we write the this pen. Its meaning is the demonstrative adjective. Then we write that bag is not mine. That bag is not mine. We write here that bag, the bag. We are pointed out. Therefore we call the demonstrative adjective. And that bag means point out this bag. We write before the noun. Any other adjective write the before the noun. That time we say the demonstrative adjective. If we write this is my pen, here we write the this. We write here this, but this is not an adjective. Here only, because here we didn't write with a noun, and therefore this is not an adjective. This is a wrong answer. Then we write another example: these pens are only for students. Here these pens are only for students. Here these pens, we write here these pen means they pointed only pens, means nouns. Therefore we call these is an demonstrative adjective. In this way we write this, that, these, those, and such. Means these words are the demonstrative adjective. One singular thing is there near you, that time we use the this. If any other single things in a long distance, that time we are using the that. When plural things are there near you, that time you say the these. When plural things are in a long distance, that time we are using the those and such. These are the demonstrative adjective. After that we discuss the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective means that adjective asks the questions. That adjective we call the interrogative adjective. We write the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective means with a noun we are asked questions. With a noun ask a question is called the interrogative adjective. With a noun ask a question. That words are there: what, which, whose, whom, who. These are the interrogative adjective. These are the interrogative adjective. We are discussing here what planning. What planning do you discuss here? Do you discuss here? Here Here what an interrogative word. Planning is a noun word. What planning do you discuss here? That is the last question mark. That is the question. Means why we call the interrogative adjective? Because planning is a noun. Planning is a noun. And what is an adjective? What is an adjective? Why? Before the planning we are using the noun, and this word describe this noun. This word describe the noun. Therefore we call the interrogative adjective. And with a noun ask questions. This interrogative word with a noun ask a question. Means planning is a noun. With we are using what? This adjective, and therefore we call the interrogative adjective. Then second, which pens did you purchase? Which pen did you purchase from shop? We are adding here from shop. Listen, which pens did you purchase from shop? Here we write here which. This is an adjective. Pens is a noun. Pens is a noun. Which pens did you purchase from shop? Its meaning is that pens is a noun. Before the noun we are using the which word, means it is an adjective. It is an adjective. Means its meaning is that this word describe the pen. These words describe the pen. Therefore we call the interrogative adjective. In this way we have to discuss the two examples. First is the related to the what, second is the related to the which. Then third number is the whose pen, whose bag did you bring from school? One example is there, whose bag did you bring from school? Whose bag did you bring from school? Here whose bag? Bag is a noun. Whose is an interrogative words. Before the noun to ask the questions. Before the noun to ask the question, they have to use whose this word. Therefore we call the interrogative adjective. The last adjective is an possessive adjective we have to discuss here. Then possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. This adjective show the possession. Means any other adjective show the possession. That adjective we call the possessive adjective. For example, this is my chair. This is my chair. We write here my. My is an possessive adjective. Why we call the possessive adjective? Because chair is a noun. When we ask whose chair? My chair. Whose chair? My chair. Its meaning is that I am a owner of that chair. I am a owner of this chair. Therefore we call the possessive adjective. And this adjective used before the noun. This adjective used before the noun. Therefore we call the possessive adjective. Then second, this is your bag. This is your bag. This is your bag. Here your, Y-O-U-R, your, this is an possessive adjective because it is related to the noun. It is related to the noun. It shows the possession. Therefore we call the possessive adjective. Then we discuss here This class is her class. This class is her class. Here her is an possessive adjective because it shows the possession. Whose class? Her class. Whose class? Her class. Its meaning is that her. This show the possession of this noun. Therefore, we call the possessive adjective. In this way, we have to discuss my, his, her, your, our, their. These are possessive adjective. These are possessive adjective. My, his, her, your, our, their, or its also. Its. These are the possessive adjective, and therefore we call the possessive adjective. In this way, we have to discuss the adjective and its kinds. Means adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. In this way, we have to discuss the adjectives and its example. Once again, I am first is an adjective. Adjective means it is a word to show the more information about the noun or pronoun is called the adjective. We said the another way, that is a describing word we call the adjective, or any other information is adding with a noun, then we call the adjective. There are the adjectives example we have to discuss. Adjective kinds means adjective of quality, means any other adjective show the quality. For example, good, sweet, short, tall, high. These are the adjective of quality. Intelligent. Then adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, this means any other thing show the quantity of any other things. That time we show the adjective of quantity. For example, some, all, whole. These are the adjective of quantity. Little, very few. These words are the adjectives. Then adjective of number means any other things any other adjective showing only numbers, then we call the adjective of number. 2 pairs, 2 chairs, 3 tables, 1 fan, 1 table, 1 class. In this way. Demonstrative adjective, this demonstrative adjective is a very easy. It point out the any other things, any other persons, any other places, that things we call the demonstrative adjective. These are the this, that, this, those, and such. These are the demonstrative adjective. After that, interrogative adjective means any other adjective ask the questions to any other persons or things. That time we call the interrogative adjective. What, which, whose, whose or whom. These are the interrogative adjective. After that, possessive adjective. These possessive adjective show the only possessions of any other things or any other persons. That time, that adjective we call the possessive adjective. These examples we have to discuss: my, your, her. Another examples we have discussed here: your, our, their, and its. These are the possessive adjective. In this way, we have to discuss the adjective, its definition, example, and kinds of the adjective. Thank you so very much.